Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install or update Wi-Fi drivers for Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we need to do is go into our start menu, and from here we're gonna type network. And we would have the network status and system settings results, so you wanna click on this one. And from here you wanna click on change adapter options. And from here, you would see the Wi-Fi that you're using, or if you have your Ethernet connected, then it will be like this. But the important thing to know this is that you need to take note of this. We'll tag the name, this one is the name. And in this case, since I'm using Wi-Fi, then this is the one that I want to remember. Intel R dual band AC3168, because it's important that you remember this so that you would know which driver to update. So now let's go into our device manager right here in our control panel. You want to go here, and now that we are here, we're gonna open up network adapters. And now this is what I'm telling you, that you need to remember the name of your driver or adapter right here. So in this case, since I'm using this, so it will be this one and it will be this one right here. And from here, I'm gonna right click and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers right here. And as you can see, I already have the best drivers installed, so I don't need to do anything anymore. And now close. So if you have updates right here, then you can just go and update it if it's not yet the best drivers that is already available for your driver, and click on close right here. Or you could also manually update the driver, but you would need to download the update on the Intel website. In my case, it will be Intel because this is an Intel adapter right here. So you have a lot of mini port right here that you can also use, but this is the one that we need to update because this is the one I'm currently using. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.